Engine fire protection systems, 32 questions. Which of the following fire detection systems are commonly used in an engine nacelle? Kitty continuous loop. What is the function of a fire detection system? To activate a warning device in the event of a power plant fire. Refer to Figure 2. Determine the fire extinguisher container pressure limits when the temperature is 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 338 minimum, and 424 maximum. How are most aircraft turbine engine fire extinguishing systems activated? Electrically discharged cartridges. How does carbon dioxide extinguish an aircraft engine fire? Contact with the air converts the liquid into snow and gas, which smothers the flame. What retains the nitrogen charge and fire extinguishing agent in a high rate of discharge container? Breakable disc and fusible disc. A continuous loop fire detector is what type of detector? Overheat detector. What is the operating principle of the spot detector sensor in a fire detection system? A bimetallic thermal switch that closes when heated to a high temperature. How is a fire extinguishing agent distributed in the engine section? Spray nozzles and perforated tubing. Which of the following is the safest fire extinguishing agent to use from a standpoint of toxicity and corrosion hazards? Halon 1301. Which of the following is not used to detect fires in reciprocating engine nacelles? Smoke detectors. What is the principal operation of the continuous loop fire detector system sensor? Core resistance material, which prevents current flow at normal temperatures. The most satisfactory extinguishing agent for a tailpipe or intake fire is carbon dioxide. The explosive cartridge in the discharge valve of a fire extinguisher container is a life-dated unit. Why does one type of Fenwal fire detection system use spot detectors wired in parallel between two separate circuits, so that a single fault may exist in the system without sounding a false alarm? Which of the following fire detection systems measure temperature rise compared to a reference temperature? Thermocouple. The pulling out or down of an illuminated fire handle in a typical large jet aircraft fire protection system commonly accomplishes what events? Closes fuel shutoff, closes hydraulic shutoff, disconnects the generator field, and arms the fire extinguishing system. A fire detection system operates on the principle of a buildup of gas pressure within a tube proportional to temperature. Which of the following systems does this statement define? Lindbergh continuous element system. The fire detection system that uses a single wire surrounded by a continuous string of ceramic beads in a tube is the Fenwal system. The fire detection system that uses two wires embedded in a ceramic core within a tube is the Kitty system. A fuel or oil fire is defined as a Class B fire. A fire detection system that operates on the rate of temperature rise is a thermocouple system. A fire involving energized electrical equipment is Class C fire. Two continuous loop fire detection systems that will not test due to a broken detector element are the Kitty system and the Fenwal system. Which statement best describes the blowout type indicator disc on a fixed fire extinguishing system? When the yellow indicator disc is missing, it indicates the fire extinguishing system has been normally discharged. The most satisfactory extinguishing agent for an electrical fire is carbon dioxide. Which of the following fire detection systems detect a fire when an element is inoperative but will not test when the test circuit is energized? The Kitty system and the Fenwal system. Which of the following fire detection systems uses heat in the normal testing of the system? The thermocouple system and the Lindbergh system. After a fire is extinguished or overheat condition, removed aircraft equipped with a cistron donor fire detector, the detection system automatically resets. The use of water on Class D fires will cause the fire to burn more violently and can cause explosions. For fire detection and extinguishing purposes, aircraft power plant areas are divided into fire zones based on the volume and smoothness of the airflow through engine compartments. What are the fire extinguisher container pressure limits when the temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit? 475 to 625 psig.